3 apps that pay real money. I tested them. In this video, I tested 3 earning apps to see if you can actually make money using just your phone. App 1, Freecash. First app is Freecash, one of the best earning platforms right now. Result: I earned around $5 to $10 doing simple tasks. App 2, Mistplay. Second app is Mistplay. You get paid to play games. Result: I earned around $1 to $3 just by playing. App 3, Swagbucks. Third app is Swagbucks, surveys and tasks. Result: I earned around $2 to $5. Final result: total earned $8 to $15. These apps are real, but not a full-time income. For more information, the link is provided in the description box. Subscribe to Dollar Secrets for real earning experiments.